it's kind of empowering at just being able to see outside opinions of what you design and really learn from that public, the people that we're learning to design for.
You might not think of Bellingham as an incubator of high-functional design, but for nearly 2 decades, scores of Western Washington University students like Jonathan Mayfield have been working to change that perception. They are members of Western's prestigious and competitive industrial design program. Industrial design professor and program coordinator Arunas Ashlapaz.
Students study art courses, engineering courses, and then in design courses they mix and meld those two disciplines. And we really address many different types of problems, many different types of projects. We go anywhere from soft goods to high-end electronic equipment, to furniture, to lighting, to toasters. There's a portfolio to begin studying, and halfway through we knock it down to 12 during the junior year. We actually began our sustainability focus in 1995 with our first projects in eco-design, is what we called it back then.
If you think that you might just throw it away, remember it could live to see another day.
Junior design student Aiden Borer.
Being here surrounded by so many people who inspire and help me be everything that I can be creatively is one of the most amazing things that I think I could ask college experience.
Enter Kathleen Iwerson and Lisa Van Doren, 2 local entrepreneurs and the purveyors of Ideal, carefully curated goods in Bellingham's downtown corridor. For the last 5 years, the 2 style mavens have hosted the ReMade project at their Cornwall Avenue shop. The annual event gives members of Western's industrial design program the opportunity to conceive, create, and bring to market their shop-ready, high-quality functional designs made from a variety of discarded materials.
A lot of them come with a couple designs, and we, kind of steer them into, which one might sell better in shop. That just every year blows us away.
Mm-hmm. It's also kind of, I think, enlightening to them to see, what it takes to make 20 of this product, and if I'm going to price it, what are my priorities as the designer? What do I need to get from this?
That's what's so great about ReMade. It's not just making a cool design. It has to be a design that is super functional, can answer questions from discerning customers, whether it's, food safe, it's watertight, all of those things.
Ashlapaz says partnering with the shop is an ideal pairing.
It's the perfect venue for what we're doing. There's an appreciation for the type of work we're doing amongst the design work that's done here.
And the students earn a generous portion of the sales from their work in addition to getting their names out in the community.
I'm too sexy for my love, too sexy for my love, love's going to leave.
So how do the students decide what their project is going to be? Junior Rosalie Daughtry.
So to begin this process, we start with just some materials exploration, going out in the community, gathering different used commercial waste. I've created dish scrubbers in the shape of flowers made out of Sunforge or boat canvas and reclaimed teak wood. And I started kind of folding the flowers out of this Sunforger material that I found.
Every year, the ReMade project has a different theme. This year's was Mexico, keeping in mind a very special cause. An example of each student's work will be sent to Entre Amigos, a Mexican charity where the items can be easily replicated and sold to help finance community programs.
Each student was required to submit instructions in Spanish for each of their products. There's 13 products in this collection. It's a community center that helps with literacy of the children. It promotes education and also jobs through cottage industry type approaches for the adults. They have a gift shop where everything's recycled. They have a few other businesses associated with them that help out.
It's easy as designers to get caught up in just like the glamorous side of things and, only make things that sell for hundreds of dollars. But to do something that's not the end goal, and then goals to improve sales for people who really need it and supply jobs in the local community is a really good feeling.
In addition to learning valuable life lessons about using their talents to give back, the program gets the students prepared for solid careers in the design field or wherever their paths lead them. Jonathan Mayfield.
I created Vinculum, which is a complementary set of coasters, centerpieces, and hand-woven mats. I grew up working on high ropes courses and splicing rope actually as a job, so incorporate that into design has been a real interesting challenge. I hope to make things, no matter where I'm at, whatever I'm doing, I hope that I always have the opportunity to actually have a hand in creating my designs.
What's interesting is when people recognize the original raw material and realize that it was transformed into something much more valuable than its original waste or trash status. So that elevation or celebration of that material is what I like to see people as they identify that material and the creativity that it takes to transform.
Part of our philosophy here in the shop is supporting young design as well as iconic design. They're emerging young designers, and you never know, one of them could be iconic.
The ReMade sale continues at Ideal Carefully Curated Goods through March 31st. For more information, visit anidealshop.com. Paul Niemi, KGMI NewsTalk 790.